Hello everyone. Next we are going to divide our hair into two parts and then making ponytail with both. After that taking one side and then we are going to fold some hair of the ponytail. After that dividing them into two and making small braids out of the hair by dividing it into two sections, and then we're gonna start taking the hair from the ponytail till you get this effect as you can clearly see in the video. After it is done, we are going to start making this on the other side also, and you can see the heart shape of this hairstyle could be visible. And when it is done, you can just apply it to the other side also and apply some clip or clutches to it to make the hairstyle look more good and beautiful. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then taking hair from both the sides of it, passing it through the middle side and then repeating the same step again and again till you get this type of braid done. After that securing the braid with a rubber band and then making a low heart design at the bottom and applying a clip at the back as well. Next we are going to divide our hair into three parts, making a ponytail with the back hair and then taking the hair from the front, and then we are going to use these threads for making this hairstyle. First we are going to attach the threads with the hair of one side and then we are going to start folding it by taking one hair strand from one side. Then we are going to continue it by taking hair from that side only again and again till you get this braid done. As you can see, it looks so tiny and beautiful. After that we're gonna continue it till we reach the last and then we're gonna join it with the ponytail we've made and then repeating the same step with the other side also, and it's ready. Next we are going to divide our hair into three parts and then we are going to take the back part and making a ponytail, dividing it into two and joining it with the two ponytails. Then we are going to take two ponytails only, then twisting it and converting them into simple bun, securing it with a rubber band, and your simple yet beautiful hairstyle is completed.